So, 2 days ago, I was watching television. One person who says he's one of the leaders of South was opening his mouth in Kanu, saying all kinds of things. I just shook my head. I said, God, it is better if it is the kind of father I would have. Let me not have a father. You know, there are some people you see, and you say, come, are they really fathers to children? What did they tell their children? People who like to eat their own share, eat their children's share, eat their grandchildren's share. When somebody at the age of 70-something years is lobbying to be chief of staff, what will his own children lobby for? Like I said, time will come when Nigerians will know this type of characters. Characters that would like to say all kinds of things because of power. Characters that will be agents to destroy their own people. Characters that they don't care. Even if their family collapses, let it be that they have something. May God forgive them. You should take one day fasting and pray for their forgiveness. Because from what I've seen, they're almost doomed. There's no amount of money, no amount of threat that can make me to sell my people. Nothing in this world that make me to betray my people, to speak with 20 tongues. I won't do that. What I say today is what I'll say tomorrow. What I'll say tomorrow is what I'll say the next day. Go and check our history. We are not known for being betrayers at all. Some people threaten that, oh, they are former generals, they are close to the CIA in America, they can deal with us. I said, listen, no problem. If you are close to American CIA, why didn't you use it to solve Boko Haram problem? Is it my body you will use it? Nigeria has a serious problem, and you are linked to CIA, you know them, you're a former general. Why not use that contact and solve Nigerians' problem? You want to use it to threaten me? Who are you? Who are you? I should come and do your own bidding. I will not do that. I will do the biddings of Nigerians, not the biddings of few individuals who believe that if they are not there, it is their children. No other person's child should come up except them. I will not do that. So all of us prepare that a day shall come and River State will take a decision on what to do. Are we ready? Are we ready?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.